Yo guys, this is BIONT, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make music in the style of KREAM. In particular, we're going to remake their track Take Control. This is how it sounds if you haven't checked it out yet. Before starting with the video though, don't forget to do all that good stuff to support this travel piece. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you got any suggestions for future videos. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the video. As always guys, let's get started with the drums. Now we're adding a higher layer to reinforce the click. Alright guys, so now we're moving to the open hats. Let's see how they sound. Great, so now we're adding another layer. Yeah, but we need another one. Once again, we need to find another layer. Alright guys, so now we're moving to the claps. Let's see how they sound. Yeah, but we need to add another layer. Now we're adding another higher layer to reinforce the click of the clap. As last layer, we're adding a more mid-present clap in order to add that body to the clap. Alright guys, now we're moving to percussions, starting with a percussion loop. Let's hear it sounds. Then we're adding an offbeat snare. Now we're adding a shaker loop. Let's hear it sound. And this is how it sounds alone. Now we're adding some closed heads. Let's see how they sound. And this is how they sound alone. Alright, so now we're adding the last layer for percussion, which is just a simple shaker loop. The last element we're adding in order to finish the drums is just a simple clap fill. Let's hear it sounds. Alright guys, so now let's hear the drums all together. Great guys, so now we're moving to one of my favorite elements of this track, which is obviously the bass line. Let's hear how it sounds. I'm sorry if it was a little bit laggy, but now let's hear it alone. This bass line is made of 2 layers. Let's hear them one by one. This is the higher layer, and this is just a sub layer. Then we're adding the classic KREAM stub. Let's hear how it sounds alone. The sound is actually quite simple to make, it's just based on a very detuned saw wave. One of the last main elements of the track is this laser effects that we have at the beginning of the drop. Let's hear how it sounds alone. As always guys, the last element of this track is just some effects and ambiances. Let's hear how they sound. I'm also automating the volume of both the white noise and the crowd noise in order to make this downlifter type of effects. But now let's hear the different layers alone. We have a simple crash, some simple white noise, some crowd noise, and that's it. Alright guys, now as always for the final step, let's just slap some effects on the master channel. Alright guys, so now we're finally done also with this project. As always, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get this FLP completely for free. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the final result. You got to